You've seen them everywhere. Those drool-worthy, life-changing recipes that have taken TikTok by storm. But which ones are truly worth the hype and which ones should stay in the For You page? To find out, I've sourced the world's most highly trained and specialized food critics, my dad and Brandon. We're gonna rank TikTok's top 10 most viral air fryer recipes according to these 3 criteria: taste, cost, and healthiness. And as the videos progresses, the recipes will get more and more viral, ending up with the most viral TikTok air fryer recipe ever. Without further ado, let's begin with this air fryer cookie. With 7.2 million views, we're starting off with Vivian K.H. viral air fryer cookie recipe. We're gonna start off with half a cup of brown butter. Brown butter is just simply butter that has been browned or cooked until it's golden brown. 50 grams of white sugar, 110 grams of brown sugar. We'll add our salt to that as well, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. This is already smelling amazing. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we'll mix it together until it's smooth and creamy, just like this. Now we have 155 grams of all-purpose flour here going into the bowl. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. She adds dark chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate, so we're gonna also add both of those. That's the secret to a good cookie though, adding a ton of chocolate like that. We're just gonna form it into a log the way she does. Nice little cookie log right there. We're going to roll our cookie log. Once it's been in the fridge for 30 minutes, we'll cut it up into pieces and air fry at 315 degrees for around 15 minutes. So this actually only took 5 minutes because my cookies were smaller than hers, but let's see how it tastes. Air fried brown butter chocolate chip cookies. These actually look amazing. They look so chocolatey and soft. All right, 1, 2.
That might be the best cookie I've ever had.
Really? You should taste the one my cousin makes.
This guy.
Oh yeah.
And these air fried chocolate chip cookies cost this much. Can get a high score. It's getting a 9.3 out of 10 from me. Brandon, what do you think?
That's a 9.9.
9.9?
I'm a cookie guy.
What do you think?
Yeah, somewhere around the 7.2.
This guy, biggest hater in the world.
That is the
here.
biggest hater.
Wrong. That's a wrong score. Disagree.
That's what I think.
That's wrong. So obviously cookies are not the healthiest choice, but listen, I preach moderation. Everything in moderation is okay. So for health, we're putting these at a D tier. This is my sister, she wants to try.
8.32.
8.32, they're both tripping. And with 9.3 million views and 926,000 likes, we're making Kimmy Creations corn ribs. So we're just gonna cut the corn straight down. Okay, this is kind of hard. And then we're just gonna cut straight in half from here. Preheat your air fryer. Boom. Melted butter. And we'll add a bunch of seasonings to it. Some smoked paprika, some onion powder, some salt. Let's go crazy. A little bit of this brave habanero hot honey. And just start tossing them up. Just layer up your cone ribs. These look so good. Now we'll air fry these at 350 degrees for around 12 to 13 minutes. So the corn ribs were pretty easy to make and they cost this much. Now let's see how they taste. All right, let's try it. 1, 2.
They're very buttery. I like it.
These taste delicious and it's a very indulgent bite. Taste-wise, out of 10, what would you give it?
I'm giving these a 7.5. I think they're good. I love corn. You can't go wrong with corn.
Dad, what would you give this?
I would go for 4.5.
4.5?
Wow.
Why?
I don't like corn. I don't like sweet stuff.
I think it's a really fun appetizer. I'm gonna have to give this a 7.7. All right, now in terms of healthiness on this corn, I mean, it did have quite a bit of butter on it, and corn actually does not get digested in your body. I would say this is more like a C tier in terms of healthiness.
Likewise.
Do you guys agree on that?
I agree.
Now this video right here has 23.7 million views and 1.2 million likes, and it's an egg frittata. So we're starting off with 5 eggs. Now whisk your eggs. Now we'll add a handful of spinach, some tomatoes, some salt, black pepper, and a handful of shredded cheddar cheese. And now we'll air fry this at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. And now we'll serve it with a dollop of Greek yogurt and some dried parsley. Next up, we have the egg frittata, and it costs this much. Looks pretty good. How do you guys think it looks?
Looks good. A bit burnt on the top.
You know, burnt, more flavor. That's what I say. All right, let's try it out. 1, 2.
Not bad at all.
The nice thing about this is you can customize it however you like. So taste on this. Let's go through and give it a rating from 1 to 10 for the taste.
I'm gonna give this an 8.4.
Okay, why?
The yogurt just gave it like a good fresh consistency, and it's something easy you can just wake up and make.
Taste only,
Taste,
nothing
I'm
else.
gonna go for 6.3.
6.3?
Yep, because that's not my kind of taste, that's not my kind of idea of doing an egg. I lean more towards the Mediterranean style.
So I would give this rating a 6.5. It's basic, it's egg frittata. I think eggs don't really take that long to do. Taste didn't blow me away. I think it's a very basic recipe. I would say in terms of healthiness, this is an S tier. S tier of healthiness.
Yeah.
This next video has 13.3 million views and 1.4 million likes. And it's by this creator right here. He made loaded French fries. We'll start off with some frozen French fries. Now we'll air fry these at 400 degrees for around 12 to 15 minutes. And now with a few minutes remaining, we'll just top it off with some sharp cheddar cheese, some bacon bits. No measurements needed, just measure with your heart here. And then we'll just let that go for another 2 minutes. All right, here we have our loaded fries. Let's dig in. 1, 2.
Can't go wrong with that.
Taste 1 to 10, this is right up my alley. I give this an 8.8.
All right, taste out of 10. I mean, this is pretty damn good. 9.6.
9.6?
9 points, you can't mess, they're fries.
On the rating,
Yeah.
9.4.
9.4, okay. These fries cost us this much. And healthiness, I mean, listen, they're not the best thing for you, obviously, but I don't think they're the worst thing either. I would give this a C tier. This recipe by Patty Plates has 16.6 million views. We're making crispy pork belly in an air fryer, a Chinese classic. We'll pierce the skin with some chopsticks. Now we're gonna score the skin. We're gonna score the meat side of the pork just like this. Then we'll season it up with our spice mixture. Then we'll brush the meat with a Hoisin Shaoxing wine mixture. Now we'll fold our tinfoil so that the meat's covered, but only the top of the skin is showing. Now we'll brush the skin with some vinegar and some salt. Now we'll air fry this at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Now we'll scrape off that excess salt from the skin, and we'll brush with some neutral oil. Then we'll air fry this at 400 degrees for another 30 minutes. And there we have it, the air fryer crispy pork belly. I'm actually so excited to try this. It smelled amazing.
I've never had these before.
You've never had this before?
No.
It took us like over an hour to make this one, but I think it might be worth it because this looks amazing. So let's try it out. Everybody grab a crunchy piece. All right, 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's incredible.
Oh my God.
Just like chips.
All right, Dad, what would you rate it? 1 through 10, taste.
7.5.
7.5, really?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm not fond of
Pork?
belly pork, yeah.
Brandon, 1 to 10.
9 flat. I mean, it tastes like a pork rind with a good crispy pork. Like you
Juicy
can't,
on the inside, yeah.
a good juicy pork.
That's a 9.3 for me. It's unbelievable. It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The flavor has just penetrated that pork beautifully because we did the crisscross patterns. That's a big winner in my book. And this pork belly dish cost us. And now in terms of healthiness, I would say, listen, pork belly has quite a bit of fat on it, so it's not something you want to indulge in every day. This is gonna be a C tier. All right, on to the next. Now this next video has 18.8 million views and 1.6 million likes. And it's by this amazing creator, Jackie, who I've been following for years. We'll start off by cutting our top sirloins into tiny little cubes just like this. Now we'll drizzle with some avocado oil, Worcestershire, sauce that nobody can say, salt, black pepper, and some dry parsley because we don't have dry chives. So we'll mix up the steaks. Now we'll line our steak bites on a wire rack and then air fry at 400 degrees for around 7 minutes. Now we'll add a few tablespoons of melted butter, 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, and our delicious air fried steak bites. And there we have it, garlic butter steak bites. This dish cost us. All right, let's dig in, guys.
I'm gonna go with the garlic one.
This guy, one thing about my dad is he loves garlic.
Yeah, I'm a garlic guy.
He's a garlic guy. Come on.
That's a winner.
That's your winner?
Oh my God, one more.
Tender, juicy.
All right, taste. Brandon, go.
Taste, it should have a little bit more salt, but that's on us. But I'm giving this 8.6 out of 10.
This is right up my alley. I'm giving this a 9 too. I could eat this every single day and be happy with it. Again, I undersalted it. That's my fault. But yeah, the recipe is fantastic. That Worcestershire goes beautifully.
The same thing for me. I'm gonna go for 9.4 for this one.
9.4?
Yeah, and something very important to mention around here is that this is a good quality meat.
So whenever you're getting meats, you want to get like at least like a prime cut. You know, prime cut means it's higher, better marbling. So you want to look for better marbling, means it has better fat in the steak. So make sure you do that, or else your steak's gonna be chewy. Healthiness. So good butter is actually not unhealthy. It's healthy as long as you eat it in moderation. You're not going over your calories, right? That's the most important thing. So I would actually rank this as an S tier steak. Do you guys agree with me? S tier? Okay. All right, super excited. Let's see what else we got. This next video has 24.7 million views and 2.1 million likes. It's by this creator right here, and she made air fried lemon pepper chicken skewers. We'll start off with some cube chicken thighs, and the seasoning's listed in the caption below. Now we'll hit it with a drizzle of neutral oil, and we'll mix it well. Then we'll skewer our chicken thighs just like this. Oh, and I almost forgot to add the garlic and the lemon zest. Now we'll air fry these at 400 degrees for around 12 minutes. And now we're gonna make a little butter sauce. We have our butter here that I microwave for 20 seconds. I'll add a little bit of lemon juice to that, some salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, some paprika, and just a little bit of sugar. I'll add a little bit more butter. We want it at this consistency. And now we'll flip our chicken skewers, brush with that delicious butter sauce we made. Now we'll air fry these for another 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And once it's fresh out the air fryer, we'll hit it with some more of that lemon garlic sauce. And there we have it, the air fryer lemon pepper skewers. This one went really viral.
Yeah, what's the way to eat this?
The way to eat this is straight off the skewer. That's the right way to do it. Not what he's doing.
I know.
Not what he's doing.
Shame.
All right, let's go.
Oh, wow.
So tender.
That's flavorful.
It's very good.
That one's my favorite so far.
Really?
Yeah.
I never thought that they would come out like that from an air fryer, you know?
If you impressed my dad, you did something right. He's the harshest critic I know. Brandon, taste.
All right, a 9.8.
9.8?
9.8.
Like that?
Juicy chicken.
I'm gonna have to give this one an 8.6 for me. It's delicious, it's really good. I would make this over and over again. I think it's so fun. 8.6 taste.
You gave your cookie higher grade. No, that's
the cookie was amazing.
That's a 9.4.
9.4?
This is food. This is real food.
That cookie was amazing.
No.
And these lemon chicken skewers cost us? Now healthiness, same thing as the last dish. I think if we reduce the amount of butter used in this recipe, it could be an S tier, but just because of the amount of butter we use, I think I am going to give this recipe, I'm gonna put it in the A tier. On to the next. Now this next video has 44.3 million views and 2.2 million likes. And it's made by this creator, Bang Bang Chicken in the Air Fryer. We'll start off by cutting our chicken into a crisscross pattern just like this. Now we'll season it really well. Seasonings will be listed in the caption below. Now we'll drizzle the chicken with some avocado oil. Now we'll add some mayonnaise, chili garlic sauce or sriracha, and some sweet chili sauce. Now we'll mix that all together and we're gonna top our chicken with this delicious sauce. Now we'll drizzle that amazing sauce over the chicken. Now we'll air fry 385 degrees for around 20 minutes. This looks insane. I think this is the best looking one. What do you guys think?
This is the one I'm most excited for.
This is my kind of food, yeah.
And it cost us this much to make. Cheers.
Ooh. I love everything about it. It's creamy.
Oh my
juicy.
God, sweet, spicy, garlicky, chili. I took a bite of this and it's so good, it made me hungry again.
Yeah, exactly.
It made me hungry again.
Feeling, yeah.
You know that, you too? Brandon, rating.
That is 9.9.
9.9?
That's a 9.9.
9.9?
Easily. I mean, I don't want to say 10.
9.9 is really high.
That's a Michelin star.
Relax.
Yeah. What do you mean relax? Yeah, what? Because you didn't do the decoration? The taste is amazing.
This is gonna be the highest rated one yet. This is a 9.7 for me. This is unbelievable. You have to make it. The details are in the caption below. Again, go make this recipe like yesterday. It's so easy to make.
You'll never regret it.
You will not regret making this one. This is a pretty healthy dish. I actually used light mayo instead of regular mayo, so it's pretty low in calories. S tier health and S tier flavor and everything. Like this right here, probably one of the best dishes I think we've had today.
All right, sure. I'm gonna eat that later on.
That was good.
And now with 47.5 million views and 3.1 million likes, we have this creator who made air fried Nutella toasted pies. Then we'll push down in the middle and then add our Nutella. Now we'll brush the border with some egg wash and then we'll fold them over until it looks like this. And now we'll use a fork to crimp the edges. Finally, we'll brush it with some more egg wash and then we'll air fry 350 degrees for around 5 minutes. And there we have it, our air fried Nutella toast pies. They look incredible.
Cheers.
All right, let's go.
You can't go wrong with Nutella.
Oh, that might be better than the cookies.
I give that a 9.3 out of 10 because it's nothing is, you know, it's simple. It's crunchy, it's Nutella-y. Rating, yeah?
Yeah, I would go with it.
9.3?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a 10. It's just
10.
a spoonful of Nutella. That's my 10.
More than the cookies, but those cookies are insane.
Yeah, but I can house just like a full jar of Nutella. So
Okay.
it's like-
We should test that sometime.
yeah.
1,000 likes and he does it.
Do it tonight.
He do it tonight. Dang, 1,000 likes and Brandon will eat a jar of Nutella. As you can see, we scarfed it down, but this is how much it cost us. Health? This is definitely one of the worst things you could eat consistently because it's literally just sugar and fat. You know, this is gonna be an F tier. But listen, everything in moderation. If you eat 1 or 2 of these a day, you will end up in the hospital. No, I'm kidding. And now, dim the lights. With the most viral TikTok air fryer recipe with 67.7 million views, we have this air fryer breakfast sandwich. We'll start off the same way as the Nutella pockets by making some indentations into the middle of some white bread. Now we'll carefully crack 1 egg into the middle of each hole. Then we'll add some thick bacon right around the edges. And then we'll air fry at 360 degrees for around 12 minutes. This is it, the most viral recipe on TikTok with 5.1 million likes. Let's see if the most liked one is also going to be the highest reviewed one. I think it's gonna be kind of hard to top because we had some big bangers earlier. All right, let's try it, 1, 2.
That's breakfast heaven.
Oh yeah. I think what happened, the reason why it's so flavorful is that the fat from the bacon rendered on that bread. And it cost us this much.
That's crazy.
It's amazing.
That's crazy that you can just like pop this in there.
All right, overall taste, what do we think? What are we rating it?
I'll give it like a minimum 8.
8 out of 10.
8.5.
That's an 8.7.
8.7?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, listen, I love the recipe. I'll give it an 8.2 out of 10. It's simple, but you know, it's eggs and bacon, nothing crazy. This is very healthy, I think. It's the bacon is not too calorie dense. Big myth out there, bacon is not unhealthy. I think this is pretty healthy. I would give this S tier. All right, guys, so we had a lot of great choices today. I do have a question for the both of you. Out of all of these ones, which one was your favorite?
Number 1, the Bang Bang chicken. Number 2,
The garlic steak bites?
The garlic steak.
Brandon, out of all of them, which one was your favorite? Which one can you see yourself eating every single day?
Okay, number 1 I can eat every single day are the chocolate chip cookies.
What about your number 2?
Number 2, my number 2 is gonna be that Bang Bang chicken. That was just, God, that was good.
That was a good one. All right, number 1 for me is gonna be the Bang Bang chicken. That was insane. I could eat that every single day. Number 2 for me is definitely the garlic steak bites. Those were amazing. I can eat that every single day and not get bored, kind of like my dad. So I think me and you have like the same taste, yeah. Close third is that pork belly and the cookie. Man, like everything was so good. We had so many good recipes, honestly. So it's kind of hard to pick, but yeah, that's what I would go with.